How to fix headset microphone not working inside Windows 11. So in order to fix the headset mic not working inside Windows 11, first option, what you can do is click on Windows and search for Settings. Now go to Privacy and Security option right here, slide down and go to Microphone and make sure that you have the microphone access turned on in all of the apps right here. And this option, Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone, make sure this is toggled on. The next thing you can do is go to the search bar again, search for Control Panel and go to the Sound option right here. And after this pop-up appears, then make sure you go to the speaker. If you have many speakers connected to your device, make sure you go to each of the speakers and make sure you have the permission to use this device enabled. Try it for all the speakers connected with your device, and for each speakers, make sure that the levels of audio output is maximum. Sometimes just fluctuating the levels of audio output helps as well. The next option to try out is go to the search bar, search for Device Manager, and after you do this, click on Audio Inputs and Output, go to Action Right, now click on Scan for hardware change. If you have any hardware changes, then Windows tends to make it as default, so that'll help. And one of the most important thing to consider is to install the updates. Go to the search bar again and go to Windows Update Settings, and after you do that, if you have any updates right here, make sure to download the updates and install the updates. That'll make your Windows up to date, which will fix the bugs and defects that you have inside your Windows, and that might solve the headset mic not working as well. The next thing to consider is to go to Settings again and type for Troubleshoot. Go inside Troubleshoot Settings, click on Other Troubleshooters, make sure to run the Audio Troubleshooter right here, and after you're done with all of the settings and these options don't work out, then go to the search bar again, type for CMD, click on Run as Administrator, and after you're inside command prompt, type for GPU update together and click on enter. And after the computer policy update is completed, so that's it. Those are the options you can try out in order to fix your headset mic not working inside Windows 11. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.